Fetch.Ai is right now at this very interesting price area because after this massive run to the upside, we then saw this correction to the downside. And now the question is if we are seeing a move to even lower prices or if we see the bullish move again to the upside. In this video, I will talk about Fetch.Ai and share my price prediction. So let's go straight into the content. First of all, Fetch.Ai is right now on place 51 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.8 billion. The coin has existed since 2019 and we saw the latest all-time high in 2024. Fetch.Ai is one of the biggest AI crypto coins in the whole industry. And this coin showed some massive bullish explosion to the upside. This was the last all-time high here in 2021. And if we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, you can see that we first reacted at this Fibonacci retracement level, but we then broke through this level. And then we came into this level, the 2.618 Fibonacci. And as you can see, we perfectly reacted right here. We came to this level, saw this massive wick, then the candle closed below, and then we saw this move to the downside again. And if we have a look at the daily chart, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend and that we right now came in this very interesting demand zone because this demand zone was the start of this push to the upside. And then after this whole crypto crash, we saw this move into this zone and then directly saw this bullish reaction. And right now the chance is very high that we can continue the bullish momentum and see the bullish trend continuation. And also if we are going on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that after we had this high right here, we saw this move to this lower low. And after we saw this move into this demand zone, we then came to the upside again. We broke this last high right here with this candle. And now the chance is really high that we can continue the bullish momentum with this bullish trend. So either if you're right now on the sideline at Fetch or if you want to buy some coins, I think the chance is high that we could get some really nice buying opportunity for the long term for Fetch.Ai right now. Just if we're breaking again under this low, then I think the chance is high that we could see even lower prices. As long as we are not breaking this low right here or this demand zone, then I think the chance is high that we can still see even higher prices for Fetch. And then of course the next really interesting price target is this last high right here. And from this prices to this last high we have a potential of 56%. And again, if we're using the Fibonacci tool on this last cycle swing right here, then the next potential price target is this 3.618 Fibonacci at $4.21. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 90%. And I think it's a really nice deal for Fetch. But of course, I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices. Because also if we have a look at the market cap again, you can see that we are under $2 billion and the chance that we could see massive higher market cap and prices for Fetch is there. And for example, if we are comparing the market cap right now from Fetch to Polkadot, you can see that we have a $9 price target and a 4x potential. And I think this price target is very realistic for the cycle. And if we would compare the market cap right now of Fetch to the all-time high of Polkadot, we would then have a price target of $53 and a potential of 23x. And I think this is a very bullish price target, but it's also realistic in this cycle because I think that the AI sector will outperform every other niche from the percentage wise. And I think Fetch.Ai is one of the best performing projects right now and the potential is very high. So I think a potential price target of this is of course very bullish, but it's realistic. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Fetch, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, I'm really bullish on Fetch, guys. And right now we have this massive buying opportunity for Fetch because we are retesting right now this demand zone. If we can continue the bullish momentum, I think the chance is high that we could see explosion in the near future. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.